Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, coming to you from the Shade Wagon Studio.
This is Motorhead Garage, and we're cleaning things up here around our studio, including our cabinets from DragonfireTools.com with Crocodile Cloth. And you're probably looking at this thinking, it's just a wipe. But this isn't just a wipe, Connor. How is Crocodile Cloth different and unique?
Yeah, so Crocodile Cloth is going to be the biggest, baddest, toughest cleaning wipe on the planet. It's safe on skin, multiple surfaces, and pretty much anything you're getting messy with.
Well, that's really important to me as a parent. You don't want that around your pets. You don't want that around your kids, to have all the toxins and things that are in other wipes as well. And the size, I noticed that the wipes, usually tiny. You're using 600 of them to clean stuff up around the house. How is Crocodile Cloth different there?
Yeah, so all of our wipes are going to be 10 by 15. So for those of you out there who are good with numbers, that's pretty big. For those who aren't, you can kind of get a glimpse of it. So one wipe can clean up your whole kitchen, your whole bike, whatever, like I said, you're getting messy with. One wipe will do the trick, whereas other guys takes 5, 6, 7 wipes.
And you have different wipes here, so there's different versions of the Crocodile Cloth. Walk me through what's out there and how I can use it.
Yeah, for sure. So probably our fan favorite of late is going to be our Power Scrub Auto Wipe. This one just hit shelves at Walmart, so check out the automotive section. You're going to find those there. We also have our grill product, which is outstanding for tailgating, keeping around the house or in your backyard. Going to be food safe too, which is awesome. Yeah. And then we got our outdoor product. So if you're going to racing events, great for having in the camper or in the campsite. It's going to be biodegradable too, so you can take a little bird bath with it in between, actual showers if needed. And then our other two products I got here, we have our Power Scrub and Original. Those are the first products we came out with, and since then we found a lot of different use cases for them. So those ones are going to be multifaceted, applicable across any surface.
One thing my wife and I always notice with wipes when we have them in the car, they dry up. We never get through the whole package, so we end up wasting a ton. How have you tackled that at Crocodile Cloth? Yeah,
so one of our biggest claims to fame is our never dry guarantee, which means when you buy a pack of Crocodile Cloth, it'll stay wet in that package for up to a year after purchase and using your first wipe. We know it's a huge pain point, so we want to make sure customers are paying for a high quality product.
That saves you money, and it's always going to be ready when you need it, which is very cool. Now, you mentioned Walmart. Where else can folks get the Crocodile Cloth? Yeah,
so you can find our full product line at HomeDepot.com or in Home Depot stores with our original Power Scrub and Grill. We also sell a paint product there too. And of course, Amazon, your local Ace Hardwares, and some other places you're going to start seeing it pop up more and more.
Very cool. You don't have to believe the guy from the company. You can believe a guy who's using it all the time. Ryan Clark is a crew chief on the Heartbeat Hot Sauce Yamaha that you see in the Supercross series every week. And Ryan, how has Crocodile Cloth changed what you guys do week in, week out?
Well, it's fundamentally changed what we do between the events. So we have multiple qualifiers before the main event, kind of the main show where they get the points and are in front of the big crowd. So every time they come off, their mechanics can simply get the bike on the stand, get it cleaned up, do the maintenance they need to do, and then get the guys back out on the track right away. So we're racing in football stadiums, baseball stadiums in big cities like San Francisco, where there's a lot of restrictions on where you can pressure wash bikes. So it's really been a solution for us to be able to just get back, get our stuff done, be looking good, showcasing our partners, and get the guys back out on the track.
What are some of the messes you're cleaning up around the pits?
Well, we race dirt bikes, right? So number one, dirt. We're wiping dirt off. Guys get roosted out there. They're racing with 20 other racers. It rains a lot. We have a lot of open air stadiums. And then you've got oil residues from chain lube and changing your oil and just doing the general stuff to kind of showcase how cool these machines are. So we want to put our best foot forward and showcase all the products that we put on our bike, and Crocodile Cloth was a great solution for that.
I know you like it and your guys love it too.
Yeah, they use it on everything, and I mean the cool thing is, we use it at home, we use it, I grill at the races too, so I'm using basically every wipe they've got for a different application, wiping down our semi-transporter, just across the board. It's been a really good fit, as far as partnership, because it's a product that we use anyway. And so we can kind of show the fans at home what we do to keep the bikes looking so good, and then hopefully they can apply it themselves as well.
Of course, Crocodile Cloth can handle mud, and all these guys can throw at it. It can handle barbecue sauce, things around your house. It can handle that spray foam that gets stuck on your hands all the time. It does that and a whole lot more, and it's made in the USA. That's one of my favorite things about it. Find them at Home Depot and all over the place. You can also find them at crocodilecloth.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com, so do not go anywhere.